Now, before we start actually doing anything with 3D printing, we need to be able to measure things. So we need a calipers. So that will be the first thing we are going to make. We will make these calipers by adding a cube, changing the scale to 100 millimeters by 3 millimeters tall. Make sure it's not uniform scale. And then we will move it, the X by, we'll move it to 50. So it'll be right there. Next, what we are going to do is we are going to add another primitive cube. We will change the scale, again, not uniform scale. The size, we want it to be 1 millimeter thick. And since that previous square was 3 millimeters thick, we're going to make this 1 millimeter taller, which is going to be 4 millimeters. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make sure it's in the same Y position, so 90. Now it's right on top of there, and we are going to change this to 10, and boom, it goes 10 millimeters off the side. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to select that, and we'll do that 9 times. Clone that 9 times. And we will just move this one, move it. So position 90, oops. Oh, yeah. And then position 20, boom. Next one. Now what we are going to do is we are going to mesh all these together. For some reason the Boolean thing wasn't working, so I'm just gonna put these into an assembly, or mush these into an assembly, I'm not entirely sure. But you go like this, you click merge, boom, they're all together. So now we will add the numbers. So you just select your object, press text. Sometimes these things disappear, don't worry about that. They're still there. Right, 10, we're gonna change the font to Apple Chancery. We're gonna change the size to 5. Thickness, we're gonna make 1 millimeter, just like the other things. And we're just gonna throw it right over there. So here we have our beautiful ruler that we could use to measure things. When you slice it, make sure all the lines are there. Make sure all the text is there. And it looks good, so let's print it.